watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore some exciting ways to refresh your living room for the summer season. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 summer color schemes that will bring vibrancy and life into your living space. These ideas are simple to implement and will give your home a fresh, inviting feel that's perfect for summer. Let's get started. Tropical Paradise. First up, we have the Tropical Paradise color scheme. Think of vibrant greens, bright yellows, and rich blues. These colors are inspired by lush tropical environments and can make your living room feel like a vacation spot. You can incorporate these colors through accent pieces like throw pillows, rugs, or even a statement wall. Adding tropical plants can also enhance this look, giving your space a lively and natural feel. Consider palms, ferns, or even artificial plants if you prefer low maintenance. The key is to mix these bold colors with plenty of greenery to create a refreshing and vibrant atmosphere. Coastal Breeze. Next, we have the Coastal Breeze color scheme, perfect for those who love the serene and calming vibe of the beach. This palette includes soft blues, sandy beiges, and crisp whites. These colors can make your living room feel airy and open, evoking the tranquility of a seaside retreat. To achieve this look, use light-colored furniture and accessories. Think about adding white slipcovers, blue and beige striped pillows, and nautical-themed decor. This combination will help create a soothing and inviting space where you can relax and unwind. Sunny Citrus. The Sunny Citrus color scheme is all about bright, cheerful colors like orange, yellow, and lime green. These hues are perfect for creating a warm and energetic environment in your living room. They work well in spaces that receive plenty of natural light, enhancing the room's brightness. Incorporate these colors with bold statement pieces such as a bright orange armchair, yellow throw blankets, or lime green accents. You can also mix and match these colors in your artwork or decorative items to create a lively and dynamic look that captures the essence of summer. Pastel Garden. If you prefer a softer, more subtle look, the Pastel Garden color scheme might be for you. This palette includes gentle hues like blush pink, lavender, mint green, and soft yellow. These colors create a calming and elegant atmosphere, perfect for a more sophisticated summer decor. You can introduce pastels through textiles such as curtains, cushions, and rugs. Pair these colors with light, neutral furniture to keep the space feeling open and airy. Adding floral patterns and fresh flowers can also enhance the garden-like feel, making your living room a peaceful summer retreat. Bold and beautiful. Finally, the bold and beautiful color scheme is for those who love making a statement. This palette includes deep purples, vibrant reds, and bright turquoise. These rich and dramatic colors can add a touch of luxury and excitement to your living room. To incorporate these colors, start with a few key pieces like a bold sofa or a statement wall. Balance the look with neutral tones to avoid overwhelming the space. Add colorful accessories like vases, artwork, or decorative pillows to tie the look together and create a stunning, vibrant living room. I hope these ideas inspired you to refresh your space and bring a touch of summer into your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!